No, where are we gonna go? You wanna go see baby brother? Okay, come on. Come this way. Hey, hang on. Hold Dad's hand, okay? Wash your hands good, okay? You wanna come see baby brother?
You're not in there. You want to sit up here? You want to sit on the bed? Come here. Here, sit right here. Here we go. Do you love him? Oh, give him a kiss. Sit over here. There you go. Is it your baby? This is baby brother. Yeah, Merce. Where are you going? Don't you want to kiss him? Did you kiss him? Merce just got the empty crib. You wanted to get excited? Do you want to hold him? Okay. All right, you gotta come up here and sit with Mama.
Hey, can you say hi to your friends?
He's like, baby.
Hey, Emerson.
Oh.
Can you tell your friends what you got? No. What is that? What's in Mommy's arms?
Hey guys, I had totally planned on filming this whole day, but pretty much since 6 o'clock this morning, we have hit the ground running and have just been super busy with people coming in and out to do different assessments on me and baby boy and procedures, and then we had the hospital photographer come in and take the most precious pictures ever. We've had visitors come in, and you know, in the meantime, we've been trying to just fit in snuggles with him, and we're just trying to learn breastfeeding all over again and get to know each other. So it's been a crazy, crazy day, and I just have not had a chance to pick up the camera. But we are trying to get home tonight. It was totally up in the air. Some people would tell us we could go home tonight. Some people would tell us that we would have to wait till tomorrow. But tonight is night 2. Which is supposedly the really hard night where he just wants to cluster feed and is like, basically you both are up all night. And I just figured I wanted to be home for that. I figured it would be much more comfortable in my own bed, and I'd have TV. So I'm super excited. It's looking like we are gonna get to go home tonight. We're just waiting on his bilirubin to come back. They did the initial test and it came back high, so then they did blood work, so we're just waiting on the results from that. He had his hearing screening and passed that, which is always good. And other than that, other than the bilirubin looking a little bit high, he is doing so well. He was 8 pounds 7 ounces when he was born, and then they weighed him again today and he was 8 pounds 4 ounces. And they said that that was a really good amount to have dropped, because I guess it wasn't that much. Can you think of anything else? I'm feeling really good today. I am totally amazed at how good I feel. Totally different than when I had Emmy. My labor was so much shorter with baby boy, and I think that had so much to do with it. We didn't have to labor through the night. And even though I didn't really get to sleep very well last night, I don't think Andrew did either, but baby boy slept through the whole night. I woke him up to eat a couple times, and that was it. He would put himself back to sleep. So he did really good last night. As far as healing is going for me, I've been keeping Motrin in me, so I think that's helped a lot, but I am feeling super good. As good as can be expected, and actually much better. my energy's up pretty good, and I'm generally not in a whole lot of pain. When I nurse him, I do feel those like crampy contraction feelings that are super painful, and honestly they hurt worse than the actual contractions when I was in labor. But if I keep Motrin in me, then I can handle them pretty good. But I don't remember that with Emerson, and I've heard that's how it goes, that it's not really that bad with the first one, but each consecutive one, those cramps get worse and worse. But he's nursing really good, and we just love him. Let me show him to you really quick. He's like the perfect baby, at least so far. All he does is sleep and eat, and he barely ever cries. He's just so sweet. We did have Emerson come and try and meet him today, and it did not go well. She was totally freaked out by the whole situation. She did not like to see me in the bed. Like, she was really weirded out by me being in the bed, and when they came in, the nurse came in to do an assessment of me, she just started crying, and I almost started crying. It was terrible. So we're gonna try again when we come home, I guess tonight. We'll see how that goes. We might just do it tomorrow, like the official where I film it and everything, because she's just kind of weirded out by the situation, which is totally understandable, and she's gonna come around eventually. But poor baby, she was so freaked out. I remember putting Emmy in her newborn though, and it was almost too small. Oh my goodness.
Do we have newborns?
Yeah, we have a few, but we don't have any sleepers. No newborn sleepers. Oh, it's cold. What do we have? Take a picture of you and him. We're so sweet. I still can't get over how little he is. Oops. I'll be hungry. You come see him? Hey, come see baby brother. Okay, we gotta wash our hands.
Hey, can we go wash our hands real quick before we touch him?
Come over here. Let's wash your hands.
What do you think of him? Oh,
Come to live with you.
it's Emerson's baby. Remember this car seat? You played in it. And now baby brother's in it. Oh, a baby brother. Can you
What's your
say?
baby's brother's name? Oh, that's sweet of you. Aw.
What's baby brother's name? Baby. Say baby Oakley. Say baby Oakley. Baby Oakley.
Yeah.
Oh, and you're done. Hey buddy, you're home. You made it home. Thank you, Emers. That's so sweet. We made it home, and we are adjusting much better here. It's just nice to be in the comfort of your own home. we were a little concerned that we weren't going to get to come home because his bilirubin levels were a little bit above what they would consider, I guess, good. They did the skin screen or whatever, and it came back a little high, and so they did a blood test and it still came back a little high. So they sent us home, thankfully, but they're going to have us come into the pediatrician tomorrow just to make sure that everything is looking okay. But yeah, we are happy to be home. Emmy is taking a little while to warm up. She did better at home than she did at the hospital, thankfully, but she's still like not her normal self. It's kind of sad, but she'll adjust. She'll get used to it, just as we all are. I'm nursing him right now, and then I'm going to give him back to his dad to do a little skin to skin. And then we're going to try and call it a night and see how tonight goes. Tonight is night 2, so they say could be bad, but so far he's just slept and slept and slept. So we'll see. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for following us this far. I hope you guys are enjoying all of the baby spam, all the newborn spam. It sure is fun sharing it with you guys. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more videos from us, and we love you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.